Sneak peek on Amazon early Prime Day deals 2024. I have spent hours and hours researching and I found some amazing Amazon early Prime Day deals that are starting now and will go through Prime Day. So you can get an early sneak peek, a head start, and snag some of those top selling Amazon Prime Day deals, which is the top sale. We love this sale around here. If you missed my latest videos every single day leading up to Prime Day, I'm sharing top early Prime Day deals. You can check out my latest ones, which also have active early Prime Day deals you can check out as well. And like always, everything will be listed down below in the description box, correlating with in the order that you see here on the video, as well as I will have it pinned in the comment section. I'm also very excited about this video because I got some exclusive early promo code deals that you can apply to get an extra discount off. We're kicking it off with one of our favorite fashion finds, the Levi shorts. Top seller, currently 45% off. Originally $59, now on sale for $32. They come in a wide range of color options. If you've been here for a while, you know I style these in so many of my YouTube videos. I recommend sizing up one size. This brand is my tried and true. The quality is standout and they last me for years. Another one of Levi's best-selling styles is their baggy jean, which is very on trend heading into the fall season of 24. Originally $79, we're seeing early Prime Day deal starting today through Prime Day on sale for $55. Now this does come in a few color washes as well. And again, I always size up one in this brand. I just feel like they run a little bit on the smaller side. Levi is one of the top anticipated deals that happens every Prime Day. So we're gonna kick it off with the charging cords. They're just a basic necessity. And if you use this code at the promo checkout section, I will also have this listed down below in the comment section too, that you can just copy and paste it. It comes in colorful as well as white options, and it's coming at right about $5. So if you need some new charging cords, want to get a backup pack, now's the time. With over 37,000 star reviews on Amazon, the Palmer's body oil, which is basically just a very lightweight moisturizer. I'm very picky when it comes to oils. So if that's you as well, you can just use a tiny dollop of this and it does a great job at moisturizing the skin. And it does have a slight rose hip fragrance to it, but it has that added benefit of reducing the appearance of scars, stretch marks, uneven skin tone, and aging fine lines and wrinkles. So it's just overall a great product for your skin. And we're seeing that below $9 starting today. One of our favorite free people look for less dresses. I also have a special code, 40% off with this code in the promo section on when you go to checkout on Amazon, and it will bring it down to $17.99. Runs true to size, and it comes in a wide range of color options. So gorgeous summer dress. If you are looking for a compact coffee maker that's aesthetic, doesn't take up a lot of space, our favorite single serve Keurig maker, this is the lowest deal I've seen this. 40% off, originally $100, down to $59. And this is also great because you can easily make iced coffee with this too, which makes all of the difference. I have been in a huge iced coffee kick. We recently got these black folding chairs when we moved last fall, and we use them all the time when we host people. It comes in a pack of 4. The quality on these are so good, and I've looked so many times to find these on deal and I haven't. So we're seeing them early Prime Day deal, 15% off, now under $84. If you're looking for some new luggage, there's some great deals happening on Luggage. If you're looking for a hard shell expandable style, which that's personally my favorite, I feel like just with travel and just being everywhere, a hard shell is my go-to, but I also like the ones that expand. So we're seeing this set 40% off, originally about $209, now down to $125, and comes in multiple colors. One of my favorite rug brands on Amazon is also running a huge deal, 77% off a lot of their really popular rugs. Now, the price is really going to depend on what size rug you have, but two of my favorite neutral runs are, first of all, this white and gray combo, and then this cream one, which I had a few years ago in our townhouse, and it just was the most stunning rug. It was easy to clean. It just looked so beautiful in any space. One of my favorite activewear clothing brands on Amazon is running major deals on a lot of their pieces, but specifically all of these are 10% off, and they they give me kind of Lululemon high-end vibes. I wear this brand literally at least once a week. So here's the code that you can use at the promo section at the checkout on Amazon to see this discount. You're seeing biker shorts, tank tops, leggings, short styles, long sleeve styles, all the things 10% off. Another popular Amazon fashion find is this fitted dress. With this code, you can grab 30% off. Comes in a few different color options, but I love that this dress can be worn casual or dressy, kind of depending on how you accessorize it. And one of my most worn purses, I use this purse for everything. It's more of a tote style. You can wear it casually as well as wear it for work as well. Comes in a few color options and we're seeing it 10% off. And when I tell you the quality on this bag feels designer, I'm always shook. It has a magnetic closure on it. It's a nice big size. It comes with an insert that you can organize some of your smaller pieces in it, but you will wear this bag forever. We are seeing $10 to $15 off of one of my go-to sneakers. I shared this last winter and it was a bestseller. It comes in a few color options, comfortable. The padding around it is insane. Dream Pairs is one of my favorite brands to get shoes on Amazon, so I was excited to see this already on deal for Prime Day, as well as our favorite fit and flare leggings. I've shared these in multiple colors, even wore these to Disney multiple times. They are the best Lululemon look for less. Like, trust me when I tell you, these will be your most worn Amazon finds. 34% off, bringing it under $20. And another really popular item around the early fall season, which kind of surprises me, but it makes sense, are belts. You can grab this pack of 4 belt, 20% off, which brings them right about $19, which is a great deal for 4 different belts. It's basically going to cover any outfit that you need to wear, whether you want to wear it around your waist or around your midsection if you want to cinch in a dress. The viral oversized zip hoodie, we're seeing 43% off, plus a $3 off coupon to clip. I love these oversized zip ups for the fall and the winter. They're easy to layer, easy to shed, but this does run oversized, so keep that in mind. You could go with your true to size, but if you want it very oversized, you could size up one, but easy to wear with any of the leggings I mentioned in today's video or a pair of denim. And one of my most worn jewelry pieces, the Teardrop Earrings. We are seeing under $12. Trust me when I tell you, I was scared when I had first seen these. I thought that they were going to be too heavy in my ear, but I wear them multiple times a week and they're just one of my absolute go-tos. And in case you didn't know, silver is like the trending jewelry color for this fall and winter season, so you can get the silver or just go with your tried and true gold. I wear gold like every day.